Hello, Sandhya. Um, Good evening.
Yes. Yep. Good evening, Vedant.
I am conducting this usability testing on Snapdeal website. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
I am trying to analyze how much this Snapdeal website is user friendly and whether it helps user or not. So this is not in anywhere not a test of your skills. You just have to follow uh, the task as you normally do. The task will be basically ordering some items. I will be giving you uh, some scenario, fictional scenario. You have to put yourself in that scenario and uh, do the task accordingly. Uh, so,
Okay.
can you? So, before proceeding, when did you last shop online?
It's about specifically shopping on Snapdeal or any other
No,
e-commerce site.
any other.
Yes, 2 days back only.
So, while choosing various shopping platforms, so generally, what do you
Mm-hmm.
look for?
Firstly, I look for the price because in different site the prices are different. And secondly, I'm looking for the cashback or any other discount offer which I can avail, and I will use that so that I can get more benefits from that. And thirdly, the trusting site I always go for because like where I usually shop always, I always prefer that only. And then I just go on shopping.
Okay. So, have you heard of Snapdeal before? Uh,
Yes. Snapdeal actually is a very old website, and I have also used it frequently. Like sometimes I have ordered something from Snapdeal also. So yeah, I know about Snapdeal.
so, when did you last use Snapdeal?
I guess Snapdeal I used last time like 5 to 6 months back. I guess for ordering a shoe or something else. I really don't remember right now, but yeah, 6 to 7 months back.
Okay. So, can you head over to Snapdeal website?
Yeah. Okay. Snapdeal. Yeah, can you see my screen right?
No, I am on the meeting tab, Google Meet tab right now.
Okay. I am right now in the Snapdeal website.
So, just stop presenting and do it 1 second. Ah, yes, now, yeah, now it's visible.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so, your first scenario is that you have to find a mixture grinder. So,
Mm-hmm.
previously you were using a Philips grinder. So, that was
Okay.
around 5,000. Okay. So, now that
Uh,
you want to buy a new one, also your budget is little bit higher now. So, you want to stick to Philips brand, but you are looking for a higher version that has more features or something. So you have to do that. The task is you don't have you can't use the search box. You have to explore, use the explore function.
Mm-hmm.
Use the explore function, and then I told you not to use search box.
Actually, before you said, I just like when you said you have to go for mixer grinder, I just typed that in search box.
Okay. So use
After
the
that, you
explore.
instructed not to use that. Okay, fine.
So while doing this task, you have to think aloud. Whatever is coming to your mind, whatever you are thinking, you have to say that aloud so that I can know it.
Mm-hmm. Explore function means just can you just a little bit describe it?
Explore function means the categories, various categories, going through that.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, fine, fine, fine. I got it now. Yeah, so like when I think of a mixer grinder, I have to go for electric appliances or something else. Into that section, I think I can get it.
Okay.
So electronics, okay. In electronics, I think I can get it. So now speaker headphone no. So small appliances, or maybe in kitchen also. Yes, I think I got it. Yeah. So I think right now I am in the mixer section. So then I have to select for which brand I am looking for.
Uh, you have to stick to your previous brand, that was Philips.
Okay, then I can just make this restriction, make this filter here, so that it will only show me only Philips. Okay, so I don't find anything from Philips right now.
Then you have to, like, since you are not finding anything on Philips, so you have to uh, go for any other brand that you trust, or
Okay, so as for my knowledge, I think Hebels and Prestige are also a good brand. So I think I will go for Prestige one, because this Prestige and Prestige, the appliances from Prestige actually perform well. So I can go for Prestige, and here I am. Okay, so you said my budget is around 5,000, right? Or even a little bit higher.
yes, yes.
Okay. So then I will think, I will see some uh, mixer around 5,000, and then I will go for the specifications.
Okay.
So yes, here are the specifications, and okay, okay, the capacity is great. The design is also looking great, but I think I can get better. So I'll go for some others. Yeah, this one is also looking great. So like, do you want me to order it right now?
Uh, yeah, that's the second task. You have to proceed through the checkout process.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I am going with this one right now because, yeah, so I'm going with this one. So I will then check, I will use my pin code and then check whether it is available in my pin code or not. So it's not, it's not available right now in my pin code. So by default, I have to go for another one.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see this. Okay, so these are not available. Then right now I have to select any random one and see if it is available in my pin code or not. This is also not available.
So, since we are having this logistic problem here, like these are not uh, usability problems. So,
Hmm.
I will give you a different scenario. Like
Hmm.
you got selected for an IT company, so you
Hmm.
have to you know that you will be using mouse with a keyboard regularly. So you want to buy an extra pair of mouse and keyboard. So
Hmm.
same way, you don't have to use a search box. You have to explore it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then for that's actually easy one because I just did a shopping about regarding that few days back. So it's quite easier because like I have to go for computer and computers and peripherals. Then I can see there are some options, mouse and keyboard. So first I will see any combo if there is any combo like mouse and keyboard. If anything, okay, sorry, I don't have to use. My bad. Okay. So I will first look for if any there is anything combo is available like all places there are, or if that is not available, then I will go for the single one like I have to order one mouse and then keyboard. So first I'll go for actually I know Zebronics, HP, Dell, those company brand mouse are actually work well. So I'll go for that. Yes, I found Jobronics. Logitech is also good. Yeah, this seems to be pretty cool. And I also want a wear mouse. So this one is also wear mouse. Okay, and it is also available on my pin code. Yeah, so I'm adding it to cart, and then I can if I have to order anything. Right now I am okay with this mouse, so I will go for that. Okay, so now it is asking for me to log in. So you want me to log in?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just do my Google sign in because I think I have an account on this mail. Yeah, so then I have to give my
Yeah.
address and name and also.
Everything just like you normally do.
Okay, fine. So here I am facing a problem. This city is by default it is taking, but the pin code is not of Puri. So
So pin code is in. Yeah, are you sure that this is your pin code?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Absolutely, this is my pin code.
Okay.
Okay, so let me try another pin code which is actually of city. It is of my village, this pin code, and let me try of this city. Yeah, now it's taking, but the another one is actually of my village, so it's not taking.
Yeah, like
Maybe there is a miss.
yeah, 752 means it must have been in your district only.
Okay, address type. So I will take it as home. Okay, save and continue. I think then the payment section will come. Yeah,
Yeah,
proceed.
you also have to buy a keyboard also.
Okay, I have to buy another keyboard.
Yeah, you were looking for an keyboard and mouse, right?
Okay, then I can get back to the cart again and I can add that. Just, yep, shopping cart.
And don't use passport.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Sorry. It's actually usual process to
Yeah,
go by the
but
search bar. Yeah.
that is what I am looking into. So suppose his keyboard is not working, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is why.
Yeah, yeah, I completely understand that, but that's the way we usually do. So, okay, no issues. I'm going for a keyboard. Okay, okay, this one is looking good. Hmm, I'll add this to cart. Oh, I may have removed that mouse from the cart as well, so it's not showing me. I'll again add that. This one is a Bluetooth one. Yeah, I'll directly now go for proceed to payment. Delivery is the address is already added. I don't need to change that. Then I'll directly go for the payment. Yeah, proceed to payment. So do you need me to pay it?
No, you just have to enter like any false details like so.
Okay, no. Actually, I usually do like online payment, like UPI payment. So
Okay. So
if I
basically,
want to do,
when you make a
yes, go
mistake
on.
while
Hmm.
doing payment, so basically you thought of opting for debit card option. So
Yes.
you entered a wrong number. So uh, now what you will do? That I am looking. Uh, so you can do just enter some random number.
Okay, so if I need to use any credit card or debit card, so here it is showing credit card. I need to go for debit card. So I'll go for debit card, pay using debit card. Then I'll enter a number. I'll just keep a random number, as it is a 12-digit numbers or 16 digit, I think. So yeah, then I will just add the expiry month or something. Then year. then that CBB one. So yeah, then after CBB, I will just add click on pay, and if the entered details are correct, then the OTP will come on my register number, and I will add that. Then the order is done, I think.
Okay. So
Mm.
your next scenario is that your bathroom has a water leakage problem. So you
Mhm.
know that you can repair it by yourself. You don't need a plumber. So you just need a tool to repair that leakage. So, however, you don't know the name of that tool. You know it in your mother tongue. So, if you look at it, you can recognize it. If you look at the picture of that tool, you can recognize it. So basically, you have to like explore it.
Okay, that's actually a tough one. Let me try it. Okay, so it should be definitely in home and kitchen. Then I'll go for like other except kitchen. I'll living room, bedroom. Here I think I can find it. Not furniture, tools or hardware. Oh yeah, bathroom accessories I can go into, and then so you said there is a leakage problem.
Yeah,
Leakage problem. Plastic soap. Mhm.
yeah.
Did I choose any wrong option? These are only those things are only used to like furnish your bathroom. I don't think there is anything. Bathroom cells, cabinet, hardware, work sets, disposal, mortars. I have selected tools, but
Yeah,
so I think
under tools and hardware, you can check for more.
yeah, actually I'm checking for tools and hardwares right now. Tools, then I think if there is any problem in tap, I can replace it.
No, you need a tool, uh, hardware tool to fix it.
Okay, 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 okay. So it's okay. So here it is one. By this I can just reassemble those things if there is any problem, or else.
Can you just check other options, various options in the explore section?
Hmm. Yeah. Home. Then I think home. Tools and hardwares and tools and bathroom accessories. I'll see view wall. Then wall and flooring. Okay, but bathroom fixtures and accessories. But in this, I'm not getting like anything to repair. Those are all for bathrooms. Those are used. So
You need a range kind of thing. Uh,
mhm. So then that is, I think I can get it at tools if I go for. Yeah, I think this one can help. Yes, this one can help.
okay, so likely you have to go ahead with the process. Right?
Yeah, I'll add this to cart. Then I'll proceed to checkout as I have already added the address. So it is showing here. I don't need to change anything. Then I'll just directly go to proceed to payment. Yes, okay, I am using debit card. I will enter a number, random number I'm giving right now.
This time you can try something else.
Okay. So I will try UPI. Yeah, I'm going for UPI. Then I'll just enter UPI ID like I have right now. Sabyasachi Acharya at the rate AVL. Verify. Okay, here it is. It verified, and then I'll pay. It will show the option in my
Okay.
phone in the UPI application, and then I'll do the payment.
Yeah. So thank you. I have few more questions. Uh,
Mhm.
just a minute. So while completing this task, so which one did you find it easier?
Easier is as actually like in those three scenarios you are asking.
Yeah.
I think that computer one is actually easier for me because like I am very used to those kind of things, so I know like actually on under which section it will come. So yes, that one actually more easier than those grinder, and actually the bathroom scenario was really very tough for me. So because mother always take care of these things, so I am doing it for first time.
Okay. So if what is the one thing you liked about this website?
It is actually pretty organized well, and one more thing is actually this. While you are added one time that delivery address, it is just showing there, and you don't need to add it again and again. The more you order, it is actually second good thing. And as I have not done the payment part, so I cannot say. But when I last time used it, the payment was also pretty cool. and yes, those things are eye-opening things, but I don't know about customer service. It should be really good, and actually it is the most important thing for a e-commerce website. Anytime, every time, like most more frequently we get our payment got stop or anything else, when we want refund or something like that, quick refund is always needed. So because that's the one thing. So right now I used this Snapdeal and it was working well for me. I liked it.
So, what is the one thing that you recommend changing or modifying so that the
Mm,
experience can be better?
right now the user interface is actually pretty good, and going into the explore thing, so I think it can be morely precise. Right now it is showing those general things. It can be more precise. We can add some more brands, we can add some more detailing into those uh, furniture or any part you can add. So right now it is working well, but when we are going for some other things, I tried that bathtub, so it was I got it in a hard tool and I was searching in bathroom. So that can be also like similar search can be, we can get similar searches so that it will be easier for those persons who are using for the first time.
Yeah.
So yeah, those things can be done, but right now it is also working well, and those are like cherry on the cake, we can say.
Okay. So, thank you, Sabya. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So okay,
Good night.
yeah, good night.